the EEA2 and EEA4 forms, templates for employment equity analysis, EEA12, and employment equity plans, which is EEA13, enforcement tools, and templates for the employment equity certificates of compliance, including the intention to withdraw the employment equity certificate of compliance. These regulations offer implementation guidelines to assist employers and employees in interpreting and applying the provisions of the Employment Equity Amendment Act of 2022, including streamlining compliance processes for designated and non-designated